James Wise, Holton-Wise here. Today I am standing in front of 3434 West 54th. This property is coming to you at $73,900. You see, this is a single family house. It is currently rented at $750 a month to a cash paying tenant. It's a month-to-month lease. There is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in that property. Now, properties, single family houses in this particular neighborhood are actually selling in the $30,000 to $40,000 range. So you're probably wondering, James, why is this particular property priced at $73,900? Well, I will tell you why. Because this particular property has something that is totally different, totally unique, something that you do not find very often. You see, tucked right behind this single family house, we have a nice surprise. We have another duplex. Get 2 houses for the price of one. $73,900 buys you that single family. It also buys you this duplex. This duplex, we have 1 bedroom, 1 bath in the upstairs, 2 bedroom, 1 bath in the downstairs.
I won't tear you down. If you're man enough to fight, if you're man enough to fall, what are you gonna do with your back against the wall? You played the game so far, now come and claim your prize. There's no escape.
We can get each of those units to rent for between $500 and $600. So we're probably gonna get about $1,100 out of the duplex plus $750 out of the house. Honestly, at turnover, if you make the house a little bit more modern, you could probably get that house all the way up to $950. So we are talking potentially over $2,000 a month in rent can be achieved at this property. Let's go into some more details here. The annual property taxes are $1,497 a year. The furnace in the duplexes, both of those are older. They're about 20 years old. The front house, that's about 10 years old. The windows in the front house are about 15. Back here in the duplex, they're about 10 years old. The electric panels were updated in the last 15 years. And we actually had another buyer put an offer on these properties, but that deal fell apart. So I actually have a complete third-party inspection report that is 100% non-biased. That inspector has nothing to do with Holton-Wise, completely unbiased opinion, very large report. If you would like that report, or you would like to make an offer on these properties, go ahead and click the link above me or below me. I'm James Wise with Holton-Wise, the #1 seller of investment property in the entire greater Cleveland area. Holton-Wise is the one-stop shop for investment real estate. We can help you buy the property. We can help you manage the property. We can help you insure the property. And when you're ready to divest, I am the #1 seller, so I will help you sell the property in a video just like this. If you're watching this video and you want to invest, click the link above or below. If you're watching this video and you have property that you want to sell, click the link above or below. If you want to hear more about me, James Wise, investor, entrepreneur, broker, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I update that every single day. I like to give you guys an idea of what I am up to, what I am doing. If you'd like to see more properties and education, follow this channel. Do not forget to show me the love. I want you to pound that like button. As always, I'm James Wise, Holton-Wise, real estate investing made easy.